how should we cook the bok choy vegetable?
Then you have to wash the vegetable.
Wash the vegetable? Okay, we'll wash the vegetable. And what's next on the recipe?
First you have to cut it.
Okay, we're gonna cut and then ginger.
What do we need?
Got the garlic?
Yes, garlic.
Okay.
With some oil.
Oil and what else should we put?
We have to cook it first.
We have to cook it? Where should we put it when we cook it?
Yeah, no oil, no cookie, and no water.
Okay, so no oil, no water, so we just stir fry it a little bit. And do we have to put some ginger and garlic as well?
Of course you can.
Okay, so we'll put some ginger and garlic and what else? The oyster sauce too?
Huh?
And oyster sauce?
Oyster sauce?
Yeah?
No, we don't waste our sauce.
I'm not wasting our sauce. I'm just saying then do we use oyster sauce?
Oyster sauce?
Correct.
Okay.
Alright, sounds good. Let's make it.
Okay, make it. The recipe is done.
Now you should eat it.
Mm-hmm.